Hi, my name is Craig. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you have seen with the title, How to Pass a Pro-Frame Challenge this week. So I'm going to give you a forecast of two currency pairs, USDJPY and USDCHF. All right, guys. Yes. So we're looking at USDJPY. So we're trying to get the directional bias. So as to what is going to be happening this week, that's a forecast for this week. As you have seen with the title, How to Pass a Pro-Frame Challenge this week. So Forex is a game of probability, but so when you have the skill, you got the skill. When you know. So before we get into that, I just want to show you a secret, because like I always tell a lot of people that your indicators, most of your default indicators, they are lagging behind the price. It could be your oscillators, it could be your moving averages. The leading indicator is volume. Volume is one of the leading indicators. So I just want to show you something, a secret, just a few, just a secret. That's not really the source, but it's something that will definitely give you the edge in the market. So, okay, if you look, the price, I'm actually looking at the monthly time frame, by the way. So if you look right here, if you look at the bars of the volume, this is my volume right here. And it can be just any volume of the broker that you're using, okay? So if you look down here, you'll see that if you look at the volume that I'm actually pointing at, look at my hand right here. So the volume started to increase. But if you look before that, the volume was, this volume is actually increasing. It's bigger than this one, the previous one, yeah? And you look at the candle here, it went down, and the next candle, it continued down. So that tells you that sellers were in control. They started being in control right here, going down. Okay, pay attention to that. Now, let's look at this one. You see, sellers, it seems, okay, let me say sellers. It seems like sellers took over here and went down. So the next bar, you think this is what should happen. You think the purple candle should continue. Okay, by the way, you can customize this. Purple candles, for me, these are sellers. Gold candles, these are buyers. So you would think, because the volume started increasing and continued increasing, you would think this candle should be purple, or this candle should be sellers candle. However, that's not the case. Like in this case, the reason for this was to induce novice traders into thinking that this market is going to plummet or continue plummeting. Why did they do this? Watch this. So when they started here, as you see, the volume was increasing. They were not selling. I know that sounds strange. That's what money do, to induce the novice traders to think they are doing something, yet they are not. I would call this an anomaly. If I am to define this whole scenario, it's an anomaly, because the volume was increasing. Then I should expect this candle to continue going down, because if the sellers there were pumping in orders, it should continue going down, like in this case. Okay, so now I would put at because they started right here. Whatever they were doing, they started right at this candle. So I'll put my horizontal line at the open of this candle. So price went down, came back to the same level, broke it, retested it, and we went up, right? And we came and we broke this level. So we want to get the directional bias for this week. So we are looking at these candles right here. These past 2 months. This is top-down analysis. So now let's go to weekly chart, right? So if you notice, our horizontal line was drawn right here. Price came to this level, kind of struggled, broke, retested it, went up, broke this level, this horizontal. Let me make it bold or big, yeah? So they came, it broke below, came back to retest it, and it's going down. All right, so the focus for this week, USDJPY, we are selling it. We will probably yes, we are selling it from right. Let me go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we will sell it from right here, so we sell it from right here, and your stop loss should be say here, or rather just above this this high, and you hold it. This is our TP is run about 140.171. Second TP, remember we are swinging. Second TP is okay. Just hold it to the first TP, because we are forecasting for this week, right? Yeah. So actually, to make even more, let me show you the trend line. So as you can see, there's first touch, second touch, third touch. It broke this level. As you can see, it broke, retested it. Not only did it retest our trend line, but it retested our supply. Remember the supply that I showed you, how we got to it using volume, that trick, that secret. So we're gonna sell it. Okay, rather we've been selling it from the retest of the trend line and of the secret, the volume secret, the supply that is provided by volume, right? And we're gonna sell it right to 140, 230, depending on your broker. So I'm using the funded nest broker here, and I was using another broker. So this is pretty much what is gonna be happening this week. So yeah, so I hope you're gonna kill it. We're gonna make a lot of money out of this, as you have seen with the title, how to pass a Profem challenge this week. And this is the forecast for USDJPY. This is our USDCHF. So the focus for this week, as you have seen with the USDJPY. So what's the focus? What are we looking at here? You know the secrets, like I showed you the volume secret, that gives you an edge. So how to plot your horizontal lines, rather your supply and your demand. Here, let me just quickly plot it because of time. We look at that. I'm plotting right here, and there's a reason why I'm plotting it right there. I showed you on the USDJPY analysis. So okay, so now look, let me just make it bold so that you can see what we are dealing with here. Okay, if you look, price came back, went down, broke, retested it, came back, broke it. But now you won't see much when you're looking at it from a monthly time frame. Look at the weekly. It came back, it broke the horizontal line, which is our demand. It was our demand. Now it has turned into our supply. Look at it. It came back to test it. This is like a textbook type of a scenario. This is like tested it to the T. Like this is so exactly. Look at precision. Came back and retested it. Like there isn't any. If you were to sell right there, there wasn't gonna be any drawdown. Look, it went down. So you would have taken it there. However, since we are forecasting for this week, we are selling from right here, and let's take this low. So I'm looking at the weekly time frame. So we are selling it from right here. Okay, we would have taken it from here. However, we are here. So we are taking it from here to there. Sorry for that. To there. Let me just quickly go to the daily. Look at that. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. So we are selling it from right here where it is to there. That's the focus for this week. Selling it to right there. So if you are using this broker, depending on your broker, but we are checking this low, this previous low. This is what we need to take. So your take profit should be right around about, say, 0.83323. So that's the focus for USDCHF for Monday this week. So if you're gonna be taking a sale, this is where you should take it, and definitely we're gonna make something out of this.